Today is, I got something in my eye. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I am super excited about this video because, spoiler alert, super spoiler alert. If you guys watch this during the try-on version, every single product is just amazing. That never happens, ever. I love this month's box. It's so funny because it's natural. This box theme is natural. Bear yourself. Ooh. That sounds like Matthew McConaughey. Frost yourself. I frosted myself in green today. Okay, I'm sure that you guys are all wondering what I'm obsessing over in this month's box. It's huge. Okay, we'll go through one item at a time, and then you guys can see my try-on version of all this. I will have the try-on time above, so you guys can go straight to that. Or you guys can watch me unbox it and then go straight to it, but also watch that because, oh my god, they are beautiful. Okay, so first is the Balm Causemetics in the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. This is valued at $32, and you guys, this is like an all-in-one, super fast, super convenient, super blendable, super pigmented, super beautiful palette. I mean, it is natural, but look at this. You have your bronzer, 3 blushes, 4 eyeshadows, plus a highlighter that can also be part of an eyeshadow. I did use every single shadow. I used the bronzer and I used this blush right here for this look, and everything was absolutely beautiful. I really loved the blendability. I loved the pigmentation. I love the color selection that they chose. Like, they gave you really beautiful neutrals. This actually was not the color I was expecting it to be. It looked a lot lighter when I put it on, and this really just added that beautiful contrast and gave you the more depth dimension to an eye look. So you guys, this was beautiful. The second product is, I'm so excited, Thrive Causemetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara in Brynn. It's actually really cute. I didn't even know there was a name to this mascara, but apparently it's Brynn, and that's really cute. Aww, someone named their kid Brynn. That's adorable. This is $24. A single swipe of this volumizing, lengthening mascara can help make sparse lashes look like extensions. Yes. I mean, what? This mascara, y'all. This mascara. Now, it didn't actually volumize. It did not. It did lengthen. It curled. It separated. It makes them look like spider legs. And I am so happy that they sent me this. I've never tried Thrive Causemetics. And now I'm like, okay, now I need to try a ton more. And that's what these subscription boxes are for, you guys. You find a product and you're like, where was that all my life? And then that's how you find your favorite products, your holy grails. These subscription boxes, oh my god, Ipsy, you're amazing. Okay, so the next is the F.A.R.A.H brushes Show Me Magic Eye Brush Set. Now, I did use all 5 of these brushes, so if you guys are interested in seeing how these all worked, I show you all of them. And they're really cool. Some of these shapes are something that is very unique. So this one right here is one of my favorite brushes ever. I use this to apply my transition shade. This one right here is incredible. It's so sharp, it's so pointy, it gets so thin if you were to put product on it. I can only imagine how eyebrows would look. Ooh, they would be so sharp. This one right here, perfect for an inner corner highlight. This one right here, I used to tap in my P. Louise and also to apply shadow all over the lid. I believe this is a concealer brush. Yeah, it is a concealer brush. This is a mini tapered, but I actually used it as a precise highlight brush, you guys. I mean, look at these handles. They're like gems. Now, they are more on the cheaper feeling side. They are kind of plasticky. They're very lightweight. They don't feel very heavy at all in your hand, but beautiful. And that was $50! Okay. Whew. Okay, so Smith & Colt Nail Lacquer in Pillow Pie, $18. You guys, look how big this is. That looks like a moisturizer. Don't put this on your face. That would be terrible. This looks so big. Now, Smith & Colt, I've noticed, has this kind of weird, indenty looking packaging that looks like it's been, you know, trampled on by a horse. But it's kind of fun, you know. It's part of their branding, and you know, it might look elegant, and then it also might look like you dropped it from a 10-story building. But either way, look at the size of this nail polish. I obviously could not try this on, but I'll paint my toes, and they'll be pillow pink. Wait, pillow pie pink. Aw, how cute. And last thing is this Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Now this is something that I am super excited to use. I don't normally like skincare, but this, oh my god. Oh, yes, because I mean, AHA BHAs are great for exfoliating dead skin, rejuvenating it, brightening it, making it look tighter and toned and, you know, just all over even. And this is just something to incorporate into your skincare a few times a week, and your skin will look magnificent. It also helps with fine lines and wrinkles. AHAs and BHAs are great exfoliants, and you know, the fact that this is from Murad just makes me feel like, yes, I'm super excited about this. So you guys, the box total is, oh, and that was $39. Wow! So here is the box total, you guys. I mean, wow, 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 wow. So you guys, beautiful box, super happy. If you guys want to see me create this look, then just keep watching. So my face is powdered and my foundation is on. I'm gonna go in with Bahama Mama, which is the bronzer, and I'm gonna see how this works. I am using my Holy Grail bronzer brush, which is a Real Techniques Rebel Edge from the Rebel Edge Trio. And oh, I mean, it's small, but I'm gonna try and swirl it without mixing in with the blush. I think I'm getting it okay, actually. Alright, so let's see how this works. It doesn't seem to have a sheen. It looks very matte. I can see it applying color. It doesn't look very orange, so that's always nice. It doesn't apply too much color at a time, and it seems to blend in beautifully. So this is really beautiful. I'm actually super impressed. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we will come back on to do the eyes. And then once I have the eye look on, I'll put on the blush and highlight. Alright, so this is a really pretty, just neutral look. All the colors in here create a very beautiful neutral look. These blended beautifully. I didn't have any patchiness. The colors look beautiful. They're nice neutrals. This is something that, you know, if you are in a hurry or if you're traveling and you know that you're not going to have a lot of time to do your makeup, this palette is absolutely beautiful. The bronzer shade is really beautiful. It's not too orange. It looks good on my yellow skin tone. And the blushes I'm excited to use because these are some of my favorite blushes. I do have some of the Balm's blushes. So I'm going to go in with Frat Boy, which is this pinky peach kind of looking one right here. And then I'm going to go in with the Mary Luminizer with this last brush here and just do a little bit of a precise application. That's a really pretty blush shade. So now I'm going to go in with the Mary Luminizer. Even with this precise brush, it's very good for highlighting actually in a very precise spot. It is very subtle. It does add that little kiss of highlight though, but it is a very subtle highlight. This is a really pretty palette for an all-natural look. So now I'm going in with this mascara. I'm excited. I have always wanted to try Thrive Causemetics. So let's look at this brush. This is really heavy, you guys. This is really beautiful. I mean, it's so thick. It's very heavy. It feels very luxurious. So let's look at the brush. Oh, look at that brush. That is kind of cool. Let's see how this works. Let me get a good mirror. Well, I'll just use this mirror and palette. Right off the bat, it is giving me crazy length. I'm gonna have to show you from the side. Okay, this is making my lashes look so long right now. Alright, so this is about 3 coats. I did 2 coats and then I kind of let it get a little dry, not completely dry, and then just did a quick one more coat. So you guys, here is the difference. So these are really, really long. They're very separated. Now, they aren't very thickening. It's not adding a lot of mascara to make them look real full and luscious. They are very separated looking. They're very long, and it did lift them and curl them. I am impressed. So here is about how long they are, my natural lashes from the side. So I'm going to do this other eye and I will go over the products real quick with you guys. I am so incredibly happy with this box. Let's go over everything. These brushes are so beautiful. They are plastic, you know, they are kind of cheaper feeling, but they are really beautiful brushes and they did blend everything out really nicely. This one is kind of a squished oval shape, so it was really perfect for a precise highlight application. Now, because my eyes are so tiny and hooded, this wouldn't really be a very good buffing brush to blend out, you know, colors, but as a very precise highlight, I love it. This one, you know, I just used this to put a shade right all over the lid, but also to tap out my P. Louise eye primer, and it was perfect for that. It also has this really nice rounded tip, so it was really good at not getting in my brows and being very precise. This one, this little pencil brush, this is perfect for an inner corner highlight, so that was beautiful. This brush, I love this brush, this liner brush. I am so impressed by this brush. It goes so thin. If you were to have any kind of brow pomade or like a gel liner, even just if you're carving out your brow here, ooh, this brush is going to be absolutely perfect. And this is my favorite brush ever because this is my favorite style. These big flat ones, I use these to put down initial transition shade colors, and they are the most beautiful brushes. I have like 50 of these in my collection, you guys. So I always love getting these. So love the brushes. This mascara, yes. Look at my eyelashes, you guys. My eyelashes are so like spidery thin and separated, and they're really long. They added curl. This eyelash in particular do not like to curl. They like to stick straight out. So the fact that this mascara curled them upwards and actually made them look longer, I love it. It does not thicken your lashes at all, but if you like the separated, long, you know, romantic look, then I think you'll love this mascara. I've never tried F.A.R.A.H Causemetics, so I'm so incredibly happy that I got this in this month's box. This, like I said, this is absolutely perfect for traveling. You know, it's just something that's quick. You can create a really beautiful romantic look, a nice neutral look with a couple of these shades, and you're good to go. It has the bronzer, which is really beautiful. It has the highlighter, which is very subtle, but it's very natural. And I mean, I think it's a really pretty natural subtle. It's not like you can't see it at all, because you definitely can. And the 3 blushes, I mean, I love their blush formula, so I'm so happy I got that as well. I've never actually tried the Balm eyeshadows, and they blended beautifully. These last 2 I can't really try. Now, this Smith & Colt is the biggest nail polish I have ever seen in my life. This thing is huge, so I will never need to buy another baby pink nail polish for the rest of my life. This thing is gigantic. Now, I'm wearing some fake nails right now, so I can't try this, but if I were to, you know, paint my toes for fall, you know, this is actually a really pretty color, so I might do that. And this I am so excited to use. Now, even though that I don't say yes to skincare, I think this is something that I will definitely benefit from. And that means that I like every single product in this box. And that rarely happens because y'all know how picky I am with my subscription services. And you know how brutally honest I am about products. I will never lie to you, and I am not lying to you. I love every single product in this box. Ipsy, yes. You knocked it out of the park this month. So that is all I have for this month's box, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!